cut.
Hello my dear students. In this video we will take Unit 5, The Greatest Inventions, Lesson 3 and 4. It will be the passive. We have two kinds of sentences, the active sentence and the passive sentence. The active sentence is a normal sentence which starts with the subject, then the verb, then the object. For example, they play football. Here they is the subject, and play is the verb, and football is the object. But the passive sentence is a sentence which starts with the object. We said they play football, this is the active. The passive will be football is played. We start with the object. So again, the passive is to start a sentence with the object. Now let's go to the main form of the passive. We start with the object, then verb to be in the tense of the sentence, then the past participle, which means the third form of the verb. And here a table of the forms of some verbs. For example, go, went, gone, write, wrote, written, and so on. Now let's start with the present simple passive. The form of the present simple passive is object plus verb to be in the present simple plus bb, the third form. Now we have to know verb to be in the present simple, which means the first form of verb to be, which will be am, is, or are. So the form will be object plus am, is, are plus the bb. Let's take an example. Mona cooks lunch. This is an active sentence. We want to put it in the passive. We have here Mona is the subject, cooks is the verb, lunch is the object. We will start with the object, which is lunch. Then verb to be in the present, am, is, or are, and we will take is, because lunch is singular. Then the past participle of cook, which is cooked, then by the subject, which is Mona. Lunch is cooked by Mona. Let's take another examples. The students write the lesson. The students is the subject, write is the verb, the lesson is the object. It will be the lesson is written by the students. Next one, my sister eats sandwiches. It will be sandwiches are eaten by my sister. And here we use are with sandwiches because sandwiches is a plural. Next one, Sarah watches a movie. It will be a movie is watched by Sarah. So that's the present simple passive. Let's go to the past simple passive. The form of the past simple passive is object plus verb to be in the past simple plus the past participle. Now we have to know verb to be in the past simple, which means the second form of verb to be, which will be was or were. So the form will be object plus was or were plus the past participle. Let's take an example. Sarah saw a snake. This is an active sentence. We want to put it in the passive. We have here Sarah is the subject, so is the verb, a snake is the object. We will start with the object, which is a snake, then verb to be in the past, was or were, and we will take was because a snake is a singular. Then the past participle of saw, which is seen. Then by the subject, which is Sarah. So it will be a snake was seen by Sarah. Let's take another examples. The thieves stole my car yesterday. The thieves is the subject. Stole is the verb. My car is the object. It will be my car was stolen by the thieves yesterday. The next one, he bought some flowers. It will be some flowers were bought by him. The next one, she ate the sandwiches. It will be the sandwiches were eaten by her. And the last tense of our lesson today, the present continuous passive. The form of the present continuous passive is object plus verb to be in the present continuous plus BB. Now we have to know verb to be in the present continuous. It will be am, is, or are plus being. So the form will be object plus am, is, are plus being plus the past participle. Let's take an example. The baby is drinking milk. This is an active sentence. We want to put it in the passive. We have here the baby is the subject, is drinking is the verb, and milk is the object. We will start with the object, which is milk. Then verb to be in the present continuous. Am, is, are plus being. And we will take is because milk takes is. Then the past participle of drink, which is drunk. Then by the subject, which is the baby. Milk is being drunk by the baby. Let's take another examples. They are playing football. They is the subject. Are playing is the verb. Football is the object. It will be football is being played by them. The next one, I am writing my homework. It will be my homework is being read by me. The next one, she is closing the windows. It will be the windows are being closed by her. And here we used are with windows because windows is plural noun. So that's all for the passive lesson. Thank you for watching and see you next videos.